Welcome to the 3-Minute Leadership and Management Series, where you will be introduced to a breadth of effective leadership and people management skills that have worked well for me and others I have taught over the years. This series will cover ways to address various scenarios as a leader and manager. It will enhance your skill set, and I'll introduce tricks of the trade, but I can assure you there will be no Jedi mind tricks.
The Force is with you, young Skywalker.
Today, let's talk about tough love.
You are not a Jedi yet.
For the overall health and benefit of your team's culture, troublesome employees need to be addressed. No person, no matter how talented, is worth keeping if they're disruptive to the culture of your team. Times like this call for measures that involve HR, keeping meticulous notes, and setting up a system to give the person 3 strikes or chances to improve. Unless the situation is drastic, then 1 strike is all they get. Giving bad news can be done in several ways. I will share 2 of my favorites with you. The first I like to call the sandwich. You want to give bad news in between 2 positives. For example, Mary, you do a good job organizing projects and following through on tasks. Lately, there's been some complaints about how you are communicating with your peers, and this is disrupting the team's productivity. You are a very bright individual, and I know you and I can work together to polish your approaches in the future. Are you with me? Here's another approach. Mark, I have some very uncomfortable information I want to share with you. It's hard to share, but I know together we can get through it. Then you share the message. Both of these tough love scenarios show empathy, and that is important when sharing bad or uncomfortable news. If you have the trust of your team, you are open, respectful, and supportive, even not so great messages will be better received. You will stand out and win their loyalty. Times when I had to correct disruptive actions or move people off the team, I got positive feedback from others on the team and noticeably saw the team's morale improve. Delivering tough love is a skill that takes some practice. Don't be a weenie. You know when you have a bad apple in a bunch. As the saying goes, it only takes 1. Remove it before it rots the entire team. Delivery of bad news is not comfortable. There are many ways to deliver a tough message. Doing it with a supportive approach is a great way to get your message across. Enjoy the win-win. That bad apple probably was ready to go anyway. Perhaps they found a better fit, but you know your team will be much happier and you'll gain respect. It is my sincere hope that you enjoyed this video. We have many more fun topics to cover in both leadership and management. We will cover skills that you can learn and go over real-life scenarios I encountered over the years in hopes that you can use these stories to overcome similar challenges. If you enjoyed this video, please like and click the subscribe button below so you can be informed when new videos are released. And feel free to leave comments on subjects you would like to hear more about in the future. Take care, and may the Force be with you.
Don't underestimate the Force.